Located in Portugal's most southern province, the Algarve, and in one of its most exclusive areas, the aptly named Golden Triangle, Sunray Village offers the optimal holiday and residential location, surrounded by the very best the region has to offer. The architect Vasco Vieira found his inspiration in the sweep of the land and the A-frame horse stables that once stood in these fields. He has blended traditional rural materials with contemporary living. Split into two main configurations, 2 or 3 bedroom townhouses, the ingeniously designed properties of Sunray Village provide a unique experience of Algarve living. Those to the north develop across the atrium, opening out onto a large south-facing terrace. Thus, the concept of maximum sun exposure is ensured for every unit, while privacy remains intact. Each with private garden and swimming pool, the 3-bedroom properties also enjoy a roof terrace with jacuzzi. The complex continues with a separate commercial area, including bar and restaurant, and a range of outdoor amenities such as putting and chipping greens, a fitness circuit, and a children's play area. The most striking design aspect of Sunray Village properties is the tangible interchange between indoors and outdoors. Modern interiors with clever use of natural stone, wood and glass glide effortlessly outwards through huge expanses of glazed panels, creating an invisible boundary between the outside world and the inside, with fireplaces expanding into barbecue areas. Sliding doors open to create an extended whole, with interior kitchens blending into exterior cooking areas. From their private pool areas or double-height living areas to their spacious basements, ideal as a games or TV room, these properties are the epitome of good design. The switch from indoors to outdoors may be subtle, with the surroundings an integral part of indoor living. But outside, whether enjoying the views from the rooftop terrace or lazing by the pool as the sun sets before you, only enhances the notion that with Sunray Village, man and nature have truly become one.